Good morning, class. You are all welcome to our science class. Today we have a special lesson that we'll be talking about. Yes, we'll be talking about our Dext Science Set. Our Dext Science Set. What is the science set that we'll be using? Yes. Today we'll be talking about what you find in your science set. When you get your science set, what you find in it. That's what we'll be talking about. Okay, so it will be packaged nicely like this, very beautifully, like that. Okay, so there is a zip here to open it. Just be careful you don't destroy it. All right, so you open it like that. You won't find it scrambled like this. Okay, this is very scrambled because I've already opened and then used some. You won't find it scrambled like this. Okay, good. So it will be in two folds like this, two sides, left and right. Okay, that's very nice. Hope you can now see it well. Yes. These are the things that you find in your Dext Science sets. Let's start from this side. If you look here, there is a paper here. This is with your link that you can scan to get information on whatever you want to get. Okay. You scan this QR. Okay. Anything you don't understand, you send it to the YouTube page. You scan. And then you have another pamphlet here, which is your manual. Hello, future engineer. So this is your manual. This is telling us the things that we'll be able to do in the science set, all the things we'll be able to do in the science set. So these are the things in the science set. They are drawn here. So this is the whole here. Okay, you can see that we have our battery holders. They are here. Our batteries too are here. Our everything is inside. All these components here are here. Okay, these are also down there, and our connecting wires, they are here, and everything, every single thing that you see here, every single thing you see here is in here. Okay, you have your pump here. Here is it. Every single thing, every single thing, your motor, every single thing that you see here, you see. And these are the things you can make it. You can build a circuit with it. Okay, you can build your circuit. Okay, build your first circuit. So if you don't get anything with your manual, you can understand, you can read and then follow it. The concept of voltage, a whole lot of things, a whole lot of things. Okay, you can add a switch to your circuit whilst you are going on. There are things you can do with it. Okay, a lot of things, a lot of things. See, very nice thing here. A lot of things. Yes, you can even make a pump, all of them. All right, so this is the manual. All right, so we have our connecting wire. Our connecting wire. We have a male to male, a male to male. You see the ends here? Yes, male to male. And then we have female to female. So the male to male will connect, will enter here like that. And then it is connected. Okay. Male to male. So male will connect female. So you can't use two male to male to, you can't connect male to male, you see. There's no way you can connect them. But they can touch, but you can connect them. All right. So these our connecting wires, we will find them in the science set. We have our battery holders, our battery holders, our battery holders, and then our batteries, our batteries. Yes, it comes with a battery, so don't worry. Our batteries. Let me take this one. It comes with one pair of battery. Yes. So they work like that. you put your negative to the where the spring is, to the negative sign. You can see that they've written a negative. Hope you can see. There's a positive here. Let me see if you can see it. Can you see it now? There is a positive. Good, good, very good. A positive, a negative here, and then a positive. And when you look on your battery, you see there is a negative here. Look at where my thumb is. The negative and then the positive here. Okay, so you put it inside like that. Okay, so that it will work. If you interchange it, it won't work. Okay. Now, when you look at our two battery holders, we have two different connections. We have one having a female to female, and then the other one having a male to male. So before you can join them together, you have to do them like that. Okay. We can also connect them in parallel. Okay. We can connect them in parallel, or we can connect them in series. In series. Okay. Our battery holder. We also have our solar panel. Unfortunately, I've broken it. I'll fix it. We have our solar panel too, and we know what our solar panel does for us. It provides us with solar energy, so we can put it on our device and place it in the sun, and then we get our solar energy. Good. We also have our motor. It can be taken out like that because we will be needing this for another project. But if it is in this one too, it is for another project. Very nice motor. We will use all these. There are some that we've done. We use all these. We have these two. This is one that houses this device here, this shape here. Okay. When it's time for us to do that lesson, I'll tell you what they do. Okay. And this one here. Good. We have these plastics. These are for special activities, a special projects that we will do at the final part. A special project. Okay. A very nice project that we'll be doing. We'll be using these things. Okay. This without this, you can use the science set, okay, for any electrical thing that you want to do. But it's for a special project. Okay. Yes. And this work comes with this. Okay. In our project, you see that you place it like that. So they come with it. I hope is it hope you've gotten an idea of what we'll be doing with this. Yes. We'll be doing that. We'll be doing that very soon. Don't worry. Good. We also have these things. These things here. Also part of the special project. Also part of the special project. So when we look inside our manual, we can see that we've gone through most of them. We've gone through, see, this is here. See, this is here. This is here. Okay, can you see that? This is here. Uh, this is here. And this too is here. Okay. So most of them, you see, all of them, they are all in here. Okay, good. And we have this. We have this. This is for our switch. Okay, I've made one here. We will also learn how to use this for the switch. It comes with a paper clip and then a thumb tack. Okay, this is very pointy, so you should be careful when using it. This thing here. Okay. Yes, the container that's the paper clip and the thumb tacks are. Okay. So this is the thumb tacks. See how sharp it is. If you don't take care, you will injure yourself. Okay, your thumb tack here. And then we have our components. Our components. Okay. Every single one of them is neatly labeled. Okay. When you look at the back here, it is neatly labeled. This is a resistor with the capacity. Okay. This is also neatly labeled with, okay, the diode. Okay. Another resistor, neatly labeled. They are all neatly labeled. Our LED, okay, neatly labeled. Our electric capacitor, electricity, electrolytic capacitor. Sorry, see it has its capacity on it. Another LED here. Okay, and then we have this, our buzzer, yes, which we can use for our security system. All right, so basically, these are all the things in our Dext Science Set. These are all the things in our Dext Science Set. Okay, I've scattered them. So after you are done using them, you make sure you arrange them very beautifully and nicely. You arrange them very beautifully and nicely. This is the end of the lesson. We were talking about what we can find in our Dext Science Sets. These are all the things in our beautiful Dext Science Sets. There are other projects that we've done where we will do with all these science sets and all these components. All right. Goodbye. This is the end of the lesson. We shall meet again. Bye.